If you're into investing, you probably had those moments when you think, someone should really create a fund tracking Formula One sponsors, or maybe there should be a strategy based on the rise of nicotine alternatives. Or even stuff like, it could be cool to invest in companies with flat org charts. These ideas pop up all the time. But until now, they've stayed just that, ideas. Today, we're happy to announce you can now turn your ideas into investable assets. We call it Generated Assets, a new AI-powered product from Public. It all starts with a prompt. For example, what if you can invest in something that tracks CEOs who have podcasts? Let's try that one. Our AI will take whatever you describe and help you build a custom asset that fits your unique vision, displaying why it selected specific stocks or ETFs. Then you can analyze your asset's historical performance and benchmark it against the S&P 500. You can even fine-tune what's included, adjust the weightings, and share your asset with the rest of the world. While we're not recommending any specific stocks or ETFs, we are recommending you try Generated Assets. It's an AI that can bridge the gap between your ideas and your investments. And we can't wait to see what you'll create.